Your boy is looking busted. Started sizzling a new system off of this. Whew. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and bringing you another headache of an episode. So the last video you saw how the battery that Mindy had in her trunk started sizzling and getting hot, and it was done, burnt up the amp and all that. So we had to get a whole new system. And that's what we did. But in between that video, her car got hit and it was in the shop. Everything was good. And something terrible happened. And it was an accident. And so this is where we're at now. We're getting rid of the system, the brand new system that is in her car. We're upgrading from 1 subwoofer, powerful subwoofer, to 2. She has to get another battery. We had to upgrade her amps, have to redo the wiring. It was a headache. But anyway, I know your boy's face. I'm not looking good right now, man. Like I look like I just dove head first into a 9-foot pool with no water in it. I'm looking messed up. I'll do better for you guys. But as of now, continue watching, laugh at my pain, and enjoy this episode. Let's get it, y'all. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right. Here we go. Mindy is getting a new system again. With Mindy's car, she's been through 1, 2, 3, 4 different systems. She started out with having one L7 solo Barrett kicker. So then went ahead, did some upgrades, and then we got her 2. And with these 2, we did a blow through the armrest. So all the sound and all the pressures and music is going into the cab of a car instead of going into the trunk first, and then, because that caused a lot of rattle. 1,500 watts total, RMS. Those were getting hot really fast. We blew a couple of those subwoofers and had to keep replacing them. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do another upgrade. So what we chose to do is upgrade to 1 ZV5 12-inch subwoofer. Okay, this is 2,000 watts RMS. So just one of these already is more powerful than those 2 over there. But what happened with this was we had to do some more upgrades, and when we took it to go get the body work done, there was a battery that was right there. And as you can see, all of this is unplugged. Nothing is connected. Now, lithium batteries are very dangerous. As powerful as they are, that battery had died when it was at the body shop getting her car done from when her car got hit. And when the body shop hit me up, they said, hey, I think you need a new battery. I knew instantly to shoot down there. So there's 2 batteries in her car, one in the trunk and one under the hood. The one in the trunk is different, lithium. When it goes out, you can't just jump start the car. You can't just put a new battery in, because as soon as you start the car, immediate power goes back there and it heats up the coils, and they start sizzling, start popping. And just like with the electric vehicles, the problem that they have, you can't stop that fire. You can't stop it. The coils just have to just burn off, and it could take hours, even days. I'm not even lying to you about that. So now what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and upgrade our system now to 2 of those subwoofers. You saw part 1 on how it was getting built, but it just cut off. Here's part 2. And let's just get this wrapped up, because man, I just want to be done with this car and get to my car. Everybody's always asking, where's your car? Where's your car at? I'm gonna jump to that for sure. So let's go pick up the subwoofer from Josh, see what he's talking about. All right, just getting to Josh's right now. Damn, he already has sub right here. He's like, man, get this out of my house. Get this out of my, yeah, if you can, just put it on the seat and I'll just seatbelt it in. Oh yeah, I appreciate you.
Yeah, dude.
I mean, obviously I know how like it takes glue some time to, but I'm not obviously not getting put in, so it should be straight.
Yeah, I mean, I built it yesterday.
Yeah, I thought it was like a couple of days for it to. Either way,
Yeah,
just chilling.
24 hours, but
That was quick. That was the quickest we ever seen each other. All right, we out. Also need to buy a couple more things for the system. We have to check the amps, make sure it wasn't hurt. I got to get another lithium battery for the back, but like I said, I'll update you and kind of talk you through what happened on why we're even to this point. But let's get it back home. All right, just got back, dropped off her sub. Each of these subs weigh about 100 pounds, and she's gonna have 2 of them. So these right here, two 15s. To get an idea, this is a gallon of water. That thing looks tiny next to it. She can run 2 15s, but nah, that's too much. The box needed in airspace is too big, but she's gonna run 2 12s. Each sub is about 100 pounds each, not counting the box, not counting the battery, not counting the amp. So there's gonna be a lot of weight in her trunk. And with her, she's not really worried about going fast. She just wants to ride smooth, clean, elegant, and comfortable. You know what I mean? So I'll tap in and let you guys know about everything that went wrong the second time around. But now on to the next thing. All right. It is another day, and we got another great phone call. Mindy's battery is, for her system, is built and ready for pickup. So, I'm gonna go pick up the battery, see what's up with that. But, let me stop real quick. I just wanna apologize because I'm not really looking my best, and you guys have to see this. All you wanna do is just enjoy something great without having to struggle and hurt your eyes off of this. But as of right now, as always, your boy is looking busted. All right, here to pick up the battery, and check this out. When I say that these batteries have to be built, this is the kind of stuff that you're dealing with. So this is Mindy's new battery right here. These things have different circuit boards, different bracing, depending on what you're going to run it. When people are talking about they're pushing a lot of power and stuff, this is the type of stuff that you're dealing with. Like I said, these aren't just regular car batteries that you go buy at AutoZone or Walmart or anything like that. These are lithium batteries, and I'll explain later on how volatile they are, but how powerful they are and the usefulness. There's pros and cons with it, but yeah, let's get this battery loaded up and back home. Okay, got the battery loaded up. Check this out. Here's what's really good about this. Right here, it shows the batteries because there's four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can go all the way up to 8. It shows how many batteries are, the voltage with them, so it's balanced because you don't want one a lot more than the other, so the power goes across the board the same. But there's different settings. Look at this. So cell balance, you change the different battery types. So because these things are so strong and so powerful, you want to know where they're at, because if something bad happens and it goes up, you want to be aware. Probably never seen that before. That comes with it, to check up on how it's doing, where it stands, and what needs to be done, the charging type, all that. So let's get this thing home and on to the next thing. Battery. We got the newly reconed sub 12-inch ZV5. So we're gonna have the 2 12s, the battery to power it. We already have the amps, the highs, or the big amp, the monoblock, and the amps for the highs and mids. And then now we just got to figure out, it's either going to be Kuni or Beetle. You've seen both of them on past videos, but not too sure who's gonna. Kuni's gonna be building the box. It's gonna be a 4th order, and not too sure if he's gonna go ahead and just put everything together, or just build the box and have Beetle do the wiring and then the setup. Not too sure yet. Okay, cool. I'll give you a little sneak peek since you're asking. Cool. See what that says? Yeah. That is going to be a pro-charged LSX motor with all pro heads, fully built. Oh, 1600 horsepower. Do you know what that's going in? You don't know. Yeah, we have to see it. But yeah, as of right now, that's what it is. And tap back in as soon as I get things figured out.